everybody. In this video, we are going to see how the WooCommerce integration works in Modular. So you can get all the data from your online store and you can also add it to your client maintenance reports. So the first thing you have to do is to go to a website that has WooCommerce. I have a test website here. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that there is a new widget that tells you that there is a WooCommerce integration. If you go here to activate, or you go to metrics and WooCommerce, you're going to see the same screen. Here is going to be this video we are recording right now. And if you go to activate WooCommerce, all the data is going to start coming from your website. So basically here you can select for which dates do you want the data to be shown. And also something new we have is that you can choose the interval for the data to be shown in the graphic, and you can also compare the data to the previous period or the previous year. Okay, so here you're gonna see some basic data like sales, orders, products sold, normally taxes, returns, coupons, etc. And if you scroll down, you're also going to see the products with the most sales, the categories, and also the coupons if there are any coupons. Here there are not any coupons. And finally, all the way down, you're going to see kind of like a table with all the data same as in the graphic. And now, if you go to the overview of the website, you are also going to see a small briefing with the last 7 days. So once the integration is connected, you're going to receive all that data. And now, if you want to add that data to the reports, we have to go here to the reports. We're going to create a new one, okay, a timely report, just to test now. I'm going to call it test WooCommerce. I'm going to do it in English for last month. I'm going to add an image, okay, and I'm going to select here in the different modules to add WooCommerce, okay, and I'm going to include the comparison with the previous year, okay, and here I'm going to go and click on generate. Okay, and it's already generated, and we are going to see the report live. And here you will be able to see that we will see the WooCommerce data both in the global overview, just a small sample, okay, with the main stats. And also, if we scroll down, we are going to see the full report of our WooCommerce store. Okay, same as we were seeing in the metrics dashboard. Okay, so here you're going to see everything with the graphic, and here you're going to see the products and categories with the most sales or the coupons most used. Okay, and this way you can add the data from your online store to the client reports, so your clients understand better how their website, in this case their online store, is performing. So we hope this new feature brings you a lot of value. And as always, we are here if you have any questions, so just let us know. Bye bye.